This class is Gardening and Sustainability, and it's a 6th grade elective, and in this class we learn about traditional planting in this arid desert. So we learn about water conservation. In this garden you'll see we have oyas and a drip system, so students learn this is a 4,000-year-old system of watering. And then we learn about seasonality, and students plant different plants based on that seasonality and what our community would like to have. We learn about seed saving. We learn about different ways that we can be more sustainable, and we really search to understand how actually abundant our desert is and how much we can actually produce here. And we also cook in the classroom. We make smoothies. We just unearthed harvested potatoes, so we will be using those potatoes in a recipe this week. We make salads, and right now we have a beautiful Three Sisters garden growing so that our students here at summer school this summer will have something beautiful to look at and harvest. So this garden at Wakefield is an ongoing hands-on, project-based learning experience where students get to learn about how to be connected to our food system, but also just nature.